future doctors, today's video will be a game changer in your pharmacology journey. We are covering cholinergic drugs in the ANS in a way that combine knowledge from KD Tripathi, Kat Jung. Get ready for in the depth inside with clinical application, toxicology, mnemonics, and much more. The nervous system is divided into two parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Now the interesting thing is that the peripheral nervous system is also divided into two parts: somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. The interesting thing is that the autonomic nervous system also got divided. This created more fun in the sympathetic and parasympathetic system.
There are two types of neurons. Afferent are sensory neuron, efferent are motor neuron. Sensory neuron carry signals from the effector organ to central nervous system. Motor neuron just opposite of the sensory neuron. We will discuss only motor neuron. Each somatic fiber is made of single motor neuron, whereas autonomic fiber is made of double motor neuron. Somatic nervous system is under voluntary control, whereas autonomic nervous system is under involuntary uncontrolled. The sympathetic has dorsal lumbar, whereas parasympathetic has craniosacral. Preganglion fiber of sympathetic system are short, whereas preganglion fiber of parasympathetic system are long. Just like that, postganglion fiber are long, whereas parasympathetic postganglion are short. The best trick to remember this is in the parasympathetic. You can remember the post from the para. The opposite of this will happen. Your sympathetic will be in it. The second one will happen like this. You will do the opposite. Cholinergic means parasympathetic drug, and anticholinergic means parasympathetic drug, just opposite of the parasympathetic drug. Similarly, there is an anti-adrenergic drug similar to cholinergic drug and adrenergic drug similar to anticholinergic drug. Before starting cholinergic drugs, let us know about some medical term. Agonist. Agonist, the heroes of the body. Agonists are the drugs that activate receptor and produce a biological response. Bethanicols is a prime example of an agonist. It activates muscarinic receptors and helps treat urinary retention by stimulating the bladder to contract. Antagonist, the silent warriors. Antagonists block the receptor actions, but they don't produce any effect themselves. They are the silent warrior in the body, blocking action. It is not opposite of agonist because they only blocked, no reverse the receptor activity. Example, atropine. Atropine blocks muscarinic receptors and helpful treating bradycardia. Inverse agonist, the unpredictable fighters. Inverse agonist रिसेप्टर को ब्लॉक नहीं करता है. गो ए स्टेप फर्दर एंड रिवर्स रिसेप्टर एक्टिविटी. एग्जाम्पल, बीटा ब्लॉकर्स, प्रोप्रानालोल. पार्शियल एगोनिस्ट, द मॉडरेटर्स. पार्शियल एगोनिस्ट पार्शली एक्टिवेट द रिसेप्टर. एग्जाम्पल, ब्यूप्रेनोर्फिन. चलिए इसे एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझते हैं. सोचिए, एक दिन एक आदमी जो हमारा एगोनिस्ट है नल को पूरी तरह से खोल देता है और पानी का फुल फ्लो शुरू हो जाता है. उसके बाद एक आदमी आता है जो इनवर्स एगोनिस्ट है और नल को इतना उल्टा खोलता है कि पानी का फ्लो रिवर्स हो जाता है, यानी पानी बाहर के बजाय अंदर की तरफ चला जाता है. अब चूहा आता है जो हमारा एंटागोनिस्ट है, जो नल में अंदर चला जाता है, जिससे नल ब्लॉक हो जाता है. हैव यू गॉट इट? मींस जो फर्स्ट मैन था हम लोग का एगोनिस्ट था, वो नल को पूरी तरह खोलता है। उसी प्रकार एगोनिस्ट जो होता है रिसेप्टर को फुल एक्टिवेट करता है, नो पार्शियल एक्टिवेट, नो इनवर्स एक्टिवेट। हैव यू गॉट इट? इसी प्रकार जो चूहा था वो नल को ब्लॉक कर देता है, जैसे एंटागोनिस्ट ब्लॉक कर देता था रिसेप्टर को। एंड सेकेंड मैन जो आता है वो इनवर्स कर देता है, मीन्स इनवर्स एगोनिस्ट है, वो जो नल को खोलता है लेकिन पानी बाहर की बजाय अंदर जाता है, उल्टा फ्लो मतलब रिवर्स फ्लो होने लगता है। इसी प्रकार जो इनवर्स एगोनिस्ट होता है वो रिसेप्टर की एक्टिविटी को रिवर्स कर देता है। Muscarinic receptors are found in places like the heart, lungs, bladder, and sweat gland. Mostly, muscarinic receptors are of 5 subtypes: M1, M2, M3, M4, and last M5. M1 receptors are present in gastric gland, autonomic ganglia, and last central nervous system. M2 receptors are present only in heart. M3 receptors are present in smooth muscle, exocrine glands, and endothelial cells. And last, M4 and M5 receptors are present only CNS. Nicotinic receptors are found in skeletal muscle and autonomic ganglia, including the neuromuscular junction. Nicotinic receptors are divided into two subtypes, NN and NM. Activation of these receptors are directly open ion channels and causes depolarization of the membrane. Acetylcholine bind to these receptors to control process like muscle movement, heart rate, and digestion. Characteristics of muscarinic receptors and nicotinic receptors subtypes. M1 and M2 receptors are increases inositol triphosphate and diacylglycerol, due to which increase learning and memory and promote gland. Like this, M2 receptors are decreases cycle adenosine monophosphate and opening of calcium channels, due to which hyperpolarization and decrease SA node and AV node. And N receptors are opening of ion channels like sodium and potassium, due to which depolarization and release of adrenaline and non-adrenaline from adrenal medulla. NM receptors are open of ion channels, due to which depolarization. There are classified direct acting cholinergic agonist and indirect acting anticholinesterase. Direct acting cholinergic agonist is further classified choline esters and alkaloid. Choline esters are synthetic compound, are derivative of acetylcholine. Example: acetylcholine, methacholine, carbachol, bethanicol. Tricks: choline esters are a cat bit my brother. Uses: stimulates smooth muscle contraction in various organs like treating urinary retention. Alkaloids: alkaloids are a naturally occurring compound that act as cholinergic agonist. Example: muscarine, pilocarpine, ericoline. Tricks: alkaloids pilots must army. Uses: used for their specific therapeutic effects like pilocarpine for treating glaucoma. Mechanism of action of cholinergic agonist. Cholinergic agonist structure similar to acetylcholine, whose act on M and N receptors and stimulates their receptors, then produce action similar to acetylcholine. Choline esters. Choline esters include acetylcholine, carbachol, and bethanicol. Muscarinic actions: cardiovascular system, heart. The effects of acetylcholine are similar to those following vagal stimulation: acetylcholine by stimulating M2 receptors of the heart, opening calcium channels resulting in hyperpolarization. Blood vessels: acetylcholine stimulates the M3 receptors of vascular endothelial cells, which release endothelium dependent relaxing factor leading to vasodilation and a fall in blood pressure. I. Acetylcholine does not produce any effect on topical administration because of its poor penetration through tissue. एसिटाइलकोलिन हार्ट के M2 रिसेप्टर को एक्टिवेट किया, देन हार्ट रेट डिक्रीज हुआ जिसे निगेटिव क्रोनोट्रॉपिक इफेक्ट कहते हैं, देन फोर्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन डिक्रीज हुआ जिसे निगेटिव इनोट्रॉपिक इफेक्ट कहते हैं, एंड लास्ट AB कंडक्शन डिक्रीज हुआ जिसे निगेटिव ड्रोनोट्रॉपिक इफेक्ट कहते हैं। सोचिए तुम्हारे कार का एक्सेलरेशन है जो इंजन की स्पीड बढ़ाता है, अगर निगेटिव क्रोनोट्रॉपिक इफेक्ट लगे तो एक्सेलरेशन धीरे काम करेगा, यानी इंजन की स्पीड मीन्स हार्ट की धड़कन कम हो जाएगी। कार का इंजन कितना पावरफुल चल रहा है या टॉर्क जनरेट कर रहा है, अगर निगेटिव इनोट्रॉपिक इफेक्ट लगे तो इंजन की पावर कम हो जाएगी, मीन्स हार्ट की पंपिंग स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगी। अगर निगेटिव ड्रोनोट्रॉपिक इफेक्ट लगे तो इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरिंग से स्पार्क सिग्नल स्लो हो जाएगा, मीन्स हार्ट की इलेक्ट्रिकल इंपल्स स्लो हो जाएगी। Nicotinic action. Nicotinic action refer to the effect of nicotinic acetylcholine receptors, which are a type of receptors found in the nervous system. These receptors are activated by acetylcholine and nicotine. When nicotine receptors are activated in skeletal muscle, cause muscle contraction, depolarization the muscle membrane in autonomic ganglia, triggers a chain in sympathetic or parasympathetic pathway. Indirect action anticholinesterase. They are classified into two types: reversible, irreversible. Reversible are further classified carbamates, alcohol, and others. And irreversible are classified into organophosphate compound and carbamates. So let's discuss reversible first. Reversibles are classified into three types. First, carbamates. Carbamates are compound that contain the carbamate group and are primarily used for their pharmacology effect. Example: physostigmine, neostigmine, pyridostigmine, rivastigmine. Let's go through these tricks and remember, physio needs a pyramid of rivers. You can remember it from physio to physostigmine, needs to neostigmine, pyramid to pyridostigmine, and last reverse to rivastigmine. Second, alcohol drug names indorphonium and others donepezils. Finally, we reached the last topic, irreversible drugs of anticholinesterase. There are classified into two types: organophosphates and carbamates. Organophosphates included drug name parathion, malathion, sarin, soman, tabium, ecothiopate. Tricks: मस्ती से स्मार्ट टीचर्स डांस एवरी टाइम,